it's Adia Monet and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'll be doing a tutorial on these really cute Bantu knots. I know this video was highly requested, so if you want to see how I accomplished this look, then keep watching the video. So as you can see, I'm starting off on stretched hair, and what you will need is a rat tail comb, some scrunchies, a brush, and something to moisturize your hair with. So first, you're going to get your rat tail comb and part your hair across your head, and make sure it's a little bit behind your ears so that there's an even amount of hair on both sides. Next, you're going to take the front section and begin parting however you desire. I'm doing triangle parts, so I'm going to do 2 sections on the sides and 1 in the middle. So as you can see, I am using the Nene's Hair Boost that I mentioned in my last video. I'll put the link in the description box on where to buy it. But next, you're just going to brush your hair out and then put this section into a scrunchie. I'm using scrunchies because I don't want these Bantu knots to unravel overnight. Then you're just going to twist this section and wrap it around the base of the scrunchie to create the knot. I also just want to explain why I'm doing this on stretched hair. I was going for more of a big Bantu knot look rather than small. I noticed that the last time I did my Bantu knots, I did it on damp hair and the Bantu knots did not come out as big as I wanted them to. So in order to get that look, I just blow dried my hair and did it on stretched hair. So now that I'm about to get started on the back, you will need a mirror so you can see what you're doing. It took me a while to just get this part straight, but I am parting 2 sections off in the back so that I can make 6 Bantu knots. For this section, I will just be doing 3 Bantu knots, 1 in the middle and 2 on the side. I'm also doing 3 more Bantu knots for this section, and I'm trying to make the point of the bottom triangle come out of the point of the top triangle, if that makes sense. I don't want them to go the same direction, so I'm trying to switch it up. Just to be sure that these do not unravel, I'm placing a rubber band over each Bantu knot. Next, you're going to get your edge control and edge brush and just do your edges. As you can see, I ran out of edge control, so I had to use what I have. So that's all for today's tutorial. I really love this look and I hope you guys do too. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe below and turn on post notifications so you can be notified of my next post. Thanks for watching.